Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our tutorial for today. In our math class today, we are going to find the solution to this Math Olympiad mathematics question. We are actually going to find the value of y. But before we do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel in order to get an update of my maths content whenever they are uploaded. Now let's get started. To solve this question, all we simply need to do is to simplify the left-hand side first. To simplify the left-hand side, what we're simply going to do is to bring out the value of y, and that will be 2 divided by y minus 1 all to the power of 1 over y, 1 divided by y. And that will be equal to y minus 1 raised to the power of y minus 2. According to the law of indices, this power can be shared among the fraction, and that will give us 2 to the power of 1 over y divided by y minus 1 to the power of 1 over y, and that will be equal to y minus 1 to the power of y minus 2. So what we'll now do next is to find how we'll reduce this fraction. We'll reduce this fraction by simply multiplying both sides by the value y minus 1 to the power of y divide y. If we do that, the left hand side will become 2 to the power of 1 over y equal to y minus 1 to the power of 1 over y multiplied by y minus 1 to the power of y minus 2. So having done that, you come to see that these two are fractions. These two are the right hand side have a common base. And according to the law of indices, if they have a common base, the product law, all we need to do is to add the power. So that will give us 2 to the power of 1 divide y equal to, this will give us, we'll bring out one of the base, 1 minus y minus 1 to the power of 1 divide y plus y minus 2. So in order for us to get to simplify this, we are going to now multiply both sides by y. If we multiply both sides by y, that action will do away with the y in the left hand side. So we'll have 2 to the power of 1 over y multiplied by y equal to y minus 1 to the power of 1 divide y plus y minus 2, and then that will be multiplied by y. So this y will cancel this y, and then we'll have our 2 to be equal to y minus 1, y multiplied by 1 divide y, that will give us 1, and then we'll have plus y multiplied by 1 y will give us y squared, and y multiplied by minus y minus 2 will give us minus 2y. So that will give us minus 2y. So that simply is going to give us a quadratic equation. So our 2 will be equal to y minus 1 to the power of, rearrange the equation, we're going to have y squared minus 2y plus 1. So this is a quadratic equation, and then we are going to look for how we'll solve that quadratic equation. To solve that quadratic equation, remember the product is plus 1. So we are going to look for two values in which when we multiply the both value, it will give us plus 1, and when we add them, it gives us minus 2. The two values is -1 and -1, and then if you multiply these two values, you have +1, and when you add these two values, you have -2. So that will give us 2 equal to y -1, and this will give us y -1 multiplied by y -1. That's this will now give us 2 equal to y -1 all to the power of y -1 square. That's the product of two squares. So we'll have that as our result. Now the next thing we need to do is to simplify such a way that we will have a final result. Now to simplify this, we'll have to do something. If we manipulate this, you come to know that 2 to the power of square root of 2 to the power of 2 will still give us 2, right? Because 2 finally will cancel the square root and then we'll have 2. So we'll express this to that to the power of 2 raised to power 2 to a square, and that will be equal to y -1 raised to power y -1 all to a power of 2. Now, the same rule will also play here. We'll also look at these two and do the same thing there. That will now give us square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2 square, and that will be equal to y -1 raised to the power of y -1 and then square. So you can come to see something that we have a common square. The square will clear the square, and then from that expression, you'll come to see that both the base and the power are same. So we'll take one of the option y square root of 2 equal to y -1. So with that, you come to see that if this comes over here, y will now be equal to square root of 2 plus 1. If that gives us square root of 2 plus 1, so our y will be equal to square root of 2 plus 1. This is the solution to that equation, that exponential equation that was given to us from the onset. I know you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in order to get an update of our subsequent videos once they are published. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you watch our next videos.